Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Coinmarketcap in quick and easy way. Having an account lets you track your crypto portfolio, collect Coinmarketcap diamonds for rewards, and stay updated with market trends. So if you don't have any country account yet, stay tuned and let's get started. CoinMarketCap is one of the most popular cryptocurrency tracking website. By signing up, you can create a personalized portfolio and set up an watch list and even earn diamonds that you can later redeem for rewards. The process is simple and it takes just few seconds or few minutes. First of all, you need to come to this website, which is coinmarketcap.com. From here, you can see there is a signing button. Click on that. Now here you have to click on signing, and now here you have to put your email address, or you can also sign in up with your Google account. Click on the Google. If I have a Google account, I will give the access of my Google account. It will take some time. Continue with the Google. Yeah, I got sign in. Now I got sign up. Now I have logged in. Go to profile setting. Here you can change your avatar. You can edit your avatar. You can display your username. You can set up your bio. You can add your birth date. You can connect with your social media profiles. And if you go to account security, here you can do whatever you like to customize in your account. You can does from here you can get the diamonds and collect. You can collect the diamonds if you download. If you sign up with the given description link, you will get some diamonds maybe, or if you don't, maybe it will not get. So that's it. How this is how you can sign up. You can create account in CoinMarketCap. It was very easy and very simple process, and also you can also enter your details, but you can sign up by entering your details like entering your email address, whatever you want, like email address, phone number, and username, and you can set up your password too. But I wanted to simple, so that's why I signed up with the Google account. It was very easy and secure. These two options are very secure, but yes, you can do that. So this is for today's video, and if you video found this very helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.